Got it here, Morphian custom knives. But guess what, guys? This is not a knife. You know, these things are very collectible. This side here tells you all about it. But first of all, let's open it. And boom, to your surprise, this is pretty new. This is actually a custom belt by Morphian. I really don't know how to pronounce it. This is a $650 belt. On eBay they sell for a lot more, like 700 plus. But yeah, there you go. There's a little, wow, that's so cool, like a little plaque. I kind of don't even want to take it out. I guess I will. It's only $650 belt. I have seen Gucci over $1,000 belts, so that's not super expensive. Considerably speaking, Gucci is not even the highest like really nice clothes. There is even more expensive stuff out there. This is a declaration of authenticity, and this is a little piece of metal. So model number, belt, designed dark brown water buffalo leather. Wow, that's crazy. Buckle, bronze, and then titanium with bronzed hardware. That's pretty cool. So that's what important things, these two, the materials, what it's made from. Date of birth, that's kind of cool, 10/20/21. Serial number, NA, so I guess there's no serial numbers on these belts. And maker, Anthony L. Morphian. Before I look into belt, what is this? So little buttons, looks like a punch or something. So you maybe punch your own hole or something. I have no idea. So really nice leather, slick, beautiful. Let's see how it plugs in. I know a lot of people will want that knife because of, did I call it a knife? Oh my gosh. Because I'm looking at a knife and it's just steel, it's a belt, even though we're talking about a knife company. But yeah, I know a lot of people will want that belt because of that logo. Check this out. That's better than Gucci, and it's cheaper than Gucci. So I guess that's completely custom. I guess to make it a little bit different, look, there's holes all the way around. To adjust it, you'd have to unscrew these pins, slide it over, and screw them back up. Not really sure what this is, but they said here a little tool to unscrew them. Wow, no way, that's so cool. That is so cool. And so that's what it's going to look like. They give us one extra. It doesn't fit me, I'll have to adjust it, but you know what, let's unscrew one little piece for a view how hard it is to adjust it. Oh, it spins on that side. So I guess, there you go. There is a little screwdriver that it will lock into here. Okay, so you could kind of spin it over there or here. I wish I had two of them, so I guess I could hold it on one side. Okay, let's unspin it. Boom. So this screw will come out. Okay, it'll pop out pretty easily. And boom, you have like a couple layers of leather over here too. That is cool. That's pretty legit. And then you can just pop it back in. High-end stuff, so it's not gonna just break on you and scratch up easily. It shouldn't anyways, but still, usually whenever you buy high-end stuff, what do you do with it? You take care of it. Everybody usually do that. One thing, be careful not to scratch up, and whenever you put it in, try to hold it really tight, so that way you don't scratch up the screws. Those little details kind of matters, not too much, but still, the more high quality it is without any scratches, the better. I love it. Amazing belt by Morphian. This is not a knife, I promise you. There you go, it's not, it's a little belt. Can we get it going? There you go. Yeah. Hey guys, I have an old steel over here, and we got it here, starting fluid. This chainsaw just does not start. I've been cranking it, just nothing. Let's see if the starting fluid is going to start this chainsaw up anyways. Okay, hopefully it starts up now. Okay, let's do a little more. And let's try to start it. It is a really old chainsaw, probably like 15 years old. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. Woo! So far it's not working. You wanna conk it? Okay, try to spray a little more. Is it too much? Alright, let's see. Can we get it going? There you go. Yeah, it's good. Wow, it's working. Wow. Look at that smoke. It's nice. We got it going. Yeah. Who would have thought? Shut it off. So yeah, good gadget over here, starting fluid. I'm gonna stock up on that because this chainsaw had it aged, and you know what? Many times I tried to start it, I had to save it for a warmer day. With this thing, as you can see, it started up. It actually works. Amazing. Wow. Didn't know even this thing existed. And this is why you can still cook over it if you put it on max. Plenty of flames coming through and emitting a lot of heat because this thing is incredibly hot. Look at that. Got it here, personal heater attachment. Check this out. Looks like a little tin can with bunch of like heat diversions and bunch of holes here and here, double layered. Looks really simple. We'll need one of these stoves. Probably best idea to just figure it out how it plugs in. Wow, perfect. And as you can see, there's a different type of notches, so it fits in there really good and sturdy. So yeah, let's turn it on now and see how well it's gonna heat up. Right now I'm feeling a lot of heat coming from the top, but we probably will have to wait a little bit till this whole thing gets heat up and get really hot. Oh yeah, now it's heating up. I can actually feel the heat emitting to the sides. Probably can slow down a little bit. Wow, it's even changing a little bit of a color. This is on maximum. There you go, now it's preheated. Oh my gosh, it's emitting a lot of heat. Almost cannot hold my hands too close over here. It's getting too hot. So yeah, it will change the color into this beautiful blue overheated color. And you know, it's cool, you could probably still cook on top of it. Just put a pot right on top of it and you could probably still boil water. Also, should I worry about my table melting? I think so. It's overheating a little bit. So yeah, definitely don't put it on something plastic like a plastic table. I see it's like actually like dents out a little bit. It's okay, this is a test table, that's what we do. Maybe set up a big rack on a plastic table so that way it holds up all the heat and not melts up your table. If you look at it on the inside, it is super red. You see it? The question is, can we cook over the top of it with the regular pot? Maybe this pot a bit too big, but let's try it. I put a little bit of water in here. It's a cold day. Let's give it like 5 minutes, see if it boils water or not. Because this thing is super red. It holds up all the heat. Wow, it's emit quite a bit of nice heat. So it's like a little personal heater. Okay, and it's pretty much boiling water on this really cold day. I'm just gonna get it full boil just in a little bit. Actually, it's happening as we speak. And there it goes, we got full boil. So yeah, personal heater while you can still cook over it. What an amazing gadget, simple but amazing. And this is why you can still cook over it. If you put it on max, plenty of flames coming through and emitting a lot of heat, because this thing is incredibly hot. Look at that. And obviously you can slow it down. If you don't have to cook over it, boom, it's still emitting a lot of heat. Now that it's hot, look how red that is. Oh yeah, that feels good. You see, even though I shut it off, it still cools off very, very slowly. Very, very hot. And now it has this beautiful color to it. Today I'm gonna put to the test Twin Smog by EG, like this is airsoft smokes. Also people use them for baby reveal parties and things like that. So this one is blue, but I guess you can cover them up and stuff. I have put to the test this ring pool smokes long time ago, so let's revisit the ones that I never seen before. I don't know when they made them, I just learned that. So let's see how they work. So there is a safety instructions, how not to hold it, how to hold it, and pull this thing not up but to the side. You kind of want to pull it up, but you actually need to pull it this way. So let's try it out. You want to wait for a second. There you go. Now it goes, and then we're gonna lay it down. Let's look at it close up, how it's coming out. Wow, that's powerful. So once we're gonna do close up, we're gonna do it from far away. It only has few seconds and the smoke goes up. So non-windy days are the best, but look at that. You go into the woods, you definitely see that pink colorish to it. That's pretty awesome. Different view, this time we're going to do blue. So like for a boy, I guess. You wanna wait a little bit? But yeah, you can even hold it like that, or you can lay it down. Wow, this one kinda went off pretty quickly. Didn't last as long. So honestly, I wouldn't recommend holding it. So this time I'm gonna actually open it and lay it down, just in case. This one is gray smoke. Wow, there's such a thick smoke. You seen that? So it's less windy right now. It looks like a genie coming out of the lamp. Look how beautiful it looks. So it's a quickly a screen smoke. Or like baby reveal party, there's just so many uses for it. I'd say it's best for airsoft and baby parties. And there is the green one. Green ones are more like signal ones as well. In survival station, maybe on a boat or wherever. There's a helicopter coming and you have a radio on them and it's looking for you, so you can signal the smoke, so that way they can find you a lot easier, especially in the wooded areas like here. So that could be very, very helpful a lot. Okay, one more. I grab the camera. So it does pop after a few seconds. Wow, look how beautiful without the wind. The smoke is just laying on the ground. So not very long, just a quick one. I think this twin gives off a lot of smoke right away, and it comes up into the woods quickly. But it is super, super fast, you see it? So what is it called? Twin vent 2 smoke. As you can see, it's a quick burst of color of smoke. So I think it's coolest for the like baby reveal parties. And you see there's a dye onto the smoke. Somehow it works pretty good. So yeah, let me know in comments below, what do you think about the smokes? Pretty interesting. Now time to clean up. chainsaw debarking attachments. Let's set it up and try it out. Alright, that will come off. Looks like we gotta take this off. Oh yeah, don't lose that. Let go of the safety and this will just come out easily. Then this right here fits my chainsaw. There's numbers and it's just gonna go onto here somehow. We gotta make sure it fits all the way in. There you go, all the way in right here. Next we're gonna put this in and adjust the belt. Okay, next we just tighten it up. I mean, it's pretty cool, it's doing the job. Okay, with this kind of bark is actually works really good. I might have like went too deep a bit, but yeah, pretty interesting, unique attachment. Probably for some kind of carving tool and things like that, for artists. Not really sure what else you would use it for. Pretty interesting. You know, you really have to push on it. I thought it would be a lot easier. So pretty interesting tool. Let me know in the comments below, would you use it? Looks like I'm wearing out the belt a little bit over here too. But yeah, in case you need to debark a tree, there you go. It's still really hard. Thought it would be a lot easier. This is a thick bark. This is a really thick bark.